Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super happy that you're here watching me right now because I have an exciting collection of phone cases to show you guys. So I will be going through some of my phone cases that I have. I actually have quite a bit collected so far, so I wanted to share kind of like where I buy my cases and just a little bit of my collection. So currently I have a very new phone case on my phone, and this is what I have been rocking. So this is a marble phone case. It's just really cute, really simple. It's white, and it does come with like this phone grip right here that matches the case. So I got this from eBay, and I believe it was like $5 or so. I will be trying to link all of the phone cases. Second favorite for sure is this My Melody one. This is how the front looks like. It's just a rubbery material, which I really love. It's so soft. And this is how the My Melody looks like. It's so cute. This is the cutest phone case, and it was under $10. I totally forgot about, but now I'm definitely gonna use it. So this is a unicorn phone case. What have I been doing? I need to put this on my phone. So this is so cute. It looks like this. Another one of my favorites for sure is this one, this blinged out one. Hell yeah. Look at this. This is super blinged out and shiny, so when I want like something fancy, something bling poppin', this is what I'll put on my phone. Also from eBay. Literally all these phone cases I'm going to show you guys are around $10 or less. I also have this super summery color hot pink one, and it has a phone grip, which I have from this shop that I got. If you guys do check out the shop, make sure you tell them I sent you. It's just a concha pan dulce, and that's how it looks like. I have just a simple light pink, like when I'm feeling like simple, phone case right here. Literally, this is one of my first phone cases, or if not my first phone case for my phone that I have, Samsung Galaxy S8. I do make phone videos if you guys are interested on checking out like my wallpapers, my themes that I share with you guys. Definitely check out those videos. So this was one of my first OG phone cases. Super just pink glitter. So this one is marble. I wore this one so much on my phone. It has like gold as well, as you guys can see, metallic. And then this one is from Hanogram case. This one is different because it's not from eBay, but it does have my name personalized on here, so I really like this one. One of my first phone cases that I used as well. Really beautiful. It's so glittery. I have not found another glittery case just like this. Like, this one has honestly been so nice. It's the phone case that I have with like a, what is it, card thing. This is a Kate Spade one. It's like holographic, but I do have like this clear case, and this one interchanges with different things. So this one looks like this, and it's just like one of these like plastic case changers. I also have this one with like little love and black flamingos for that summer. Flamingos for that summer vibes. Look at this. How cute is that? I also have this red roses. I have this black, just a shiny basic phone case. I haven't had a black phone case, so this one is different, but the reason that I got this was because I wanted to apply these stick-on wallets. So these are from Girly, and literally have a bunch of these. So this is the name right there. This is Girly, and they're stick-on wallets that look different. All of them, depending on what you want. Is another cute one. It's just like this marble one, different marble one that looks like my phone cases that I showed you guys earlier. These that I opened up, oh, they look like this. Really cute. It does come with two, like I said, and these have ring holders, which I've never had before, but I really like them actually. Really comfortable, and then it has like room for your cards. I really like this black one right here actually. It literally just sticks right on. Look at how glam that looks. Really sophisticated for sure. I just really wanted a black one to match with all of these. You could stick them on, stick them off, however you want. I also have some cases that are not part of my Samsung Galaxy S8, but I do have, so I'll go through them. I have this pink clear one. I also have this one with like mirrored silver, and then like a bunch of bling up here. I do have two more marble ones. This is a basic marble pattern and another marble pattern with like, I don't know, like glitter. And then the last one is super cute. This is a Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty, so this one's so adorable, and it has a little charm. But pretty much I am done with all of the phone cases. That is my entire collection, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked. I will leave what I can down below, and I hope you guys got inspiration, some ideas for phone cases, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.